Namaste, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Life Melody by Pooja. Today I am taking you deep into the wild heart of Bengal, where nature whispers its secrets and every sound tells a story. Join me as we embark on an unforgettable Bengal jungle safari, a journey through mist, melody, and magic. As the first rays of dawn touch the earth, our jeep rolls through the forest. The air smells of wet soils and wildflowers. Every turn reveals something new. Towering salt trees, dancing bamboo, and golden glimmer of the sun weaving through the canopy. This is the land of legends, the home of the majestic Royal Bengal tiger, spotted deer, and hundreds of exotic birds. Here, silence isn't empty; it's full of life. You can see the peacock, The jungle isn't just about adventure, it's about balance. Every leaf, every insect, every creature plays in this grand symphony of life. I feel an overwhelming sense of peace. See the tiger, two tigers. Peacefully, monkey jumping. Very beautiful. Duck in the water, taking bath. Beautiful parrots, colorful parrots, you can say. I enjoyed a lot. I don't remember the name, but it was very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. लंगूर
देखती है कैसे बोलता है यूट्यूब पे देखती है रियल में देखती है
फुल ऑफ नेचर colorful monkey, yellow color side. This is bhediya. And this is a cat, means jungly cat, you can say. Variety of cats. She's also enjoying much. If you feel tired, you can sit. Now you can see the banana trees. As I stand by the river watching the sunlight dance on the water, I feel an overwhelming sense of peace. See the crocodile. And the crocodile, you can see tortoise, kachua, and fish also. Here you don't just see nature, you feel it. It teaches you patience, gratitude, and respect. Thank you.